Hi guys, I'm Rob from Currys, and today we're taking a look at three things that we love about the LG Nano816 LED TV. It's got LG's NanoCell technology, it features LG's WebOS smart platform, and it's got AI Sound Pro. I'm heading off to the lab so we can check out this TV in more detail. I'm here in the lab, and on this side we've got the LG NanoCell TV, and here we've got a conventional LCD TV. Now the first thing we're going to talk about is LG's NanoCell technology, which put simply is a clever layer which filters out any unwanted wavelengths of light. Now this is something that an LCD normally struggles with, as it lacks colour depth, which ultimately makes the image on screen look less real. Now we're playing the same content on both TVs, so you can compare the difference in picture quality and you can see what you can expect with a TV like this. Now LG say with this NanoCell TV, you get pure colour reproduction and you get local dimming, which means you're getting a bold contrast for a more dynamic picture. If you want to come in a little bit closer, you can see here you've got your rich colours, you've got your deeper blacks, and you've got that bold colour contrast, whereas if you move out so you can compare it with the LCD, you can see it lacks that colour depth, which means you're getting a much better viewing experience with an LG NanoCell TV. Next up, we're looking at LG's WebOS smart platform, which means you're not going to have any problem accessing all your go-to apps, including Freeview Play, Now TV, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and more. And you're also able to control your TV, just like you would with any of your smart home appliances, with your voice, as you're able to control it using Alexa or Google Assistant, and you've got your two buttons just down there at the bottom of the remote. And finally, we're looking at LG's AI Sound Pro, which puts you right at the centre of the action. It uses AI technology to enhance what's happening and understands where, when and how to elevate the sound. Now the sound has been upgraded to a virtual 5.1.2 surround sound, which cleverly uses acoustics to recreate a cinematic effect so that it sounds like it's coming from all around you. It's great to have such a fantastic sound included with the TV, so you don't have to worry about the hassle of getting surround sound speakers. If you'd like any more info about this LG NanoCell TV, you can visit us in store, online, or chat to one of our experts on a Shop Live video call.